What if your city became your classroom? Not a metaphor, the actual deal. Amity University Mumbai sits at the edge of India's financial capital. 30 acres, 150 plus programs, 564 recruiting partners, and a city that never stops teaching. Here's how Amity Mumbai turns the city of Mumbai into your single biggest advantage. The campus is 1 hour from Bombay High Court, one of the busiest courts in the country, via the Atal Setu. 30 minutes from Amul's plant, right in the orbit of pharma giants like Sun Pharma, Cipla, and Johnson & Johnson. And at the doorstep of Bandra Kurla Complex, Mumbai's financial nerve center.
I would recommend Amity, one, because of where the campus is situated. It is just 1 hour from the Bombay High Court, 1.5 hours at the most. Because of the Mumbai Trans-Harbour Link Road, that is the Atal Setu, it is very, very accessible.
Amity Mumbai was building flexible, choice-based curricula before NEP made it a mandate. A computer science student can take photography and AI as part of their degree. Industry partners like Cognizant and Tata Technologies run portfolio programs on campus, training students in the final year for the exact industry they're going into.
मैंने Amity Institute इसलिए select किया because aeronautical engineering यहाँ पे Tata Technologies के साथ collaboration में है और यहाँ पे जो equipments और infrastructure जो है वो Tata Technologies से provided है, plus जो faculty है वो भी Tata Technologies से ही आए हैं, तो उनका experience और उनका जो knowledge है वो बहुत beneficial रहा है मेरे लिए.
The location and curriculum eventually connect to placements. The university reports over 2,500 students placed, with more than 400 recruiters visiting in 2025. Recruiters include companies such as Amazon, Deloitte, TCS, HDFC Bank, Mahindra, Adobe, Nomura, CMA CGM, Bajaj Finance, Tata Finance, and many others across technology, consulting, finance, manufacturing, and legal services. The highest international package has reached 44 LPA, while more than 50 students secured packages between 10 LPA and 15 LPA.
This year alone, 3 of our students have got the highest placements and a package of 44 lakh per annum, and they have been placed internationally. More than 50 plus students have placed on 10 to 15 lakh per annum packages as well. And more than 34 multinational companies have taken our students now as a parts and parcel of their career.
Our faculties are well versed in whatever the field they are good at. So our faculties actually help us get internships, then placements are pretty well.
The location doesn't benefit just one program. Different schools across the university use Mumbai in different ways. For law students, it means regular exposure to courts, legal institutions, legal aid camps, police stations, and moot court competitions. For biotechnology students, it means being close to one of India's biggest pharmaceutical hubs. And for management, engineering, media, and other disciplines, the city itself becomes an extension of the classroom through industry interactions, projects, internships, and field visits.
So we are offering hands-on practical training to our students and subjects that are relevant to the current times and which will be relevant in the future is what we offer to our students, which is completely different from what other law colleges offer.
And Mumbai, because actually major pharma companies like Sun Pharma, Cipla, Johnson & Johnson, all of these companies actually have their main hub in Mumbai. So I also thought about my future, so Amity Mumbai placement was actually also pretty well and reasonable.
Now, the campus. Because before anything else, this is what students talk about. The infrastructure is built to match. State-of-the-art labs, molecular biology, plant biotech, aeronautical, animation and VFX. Smart classrooms, a well-stocked library that students actually use. 2 practicing moot court halls, auditoriums and hostel facilities for over 2,000 students, men's and women's, with new residential towers of 25 floors each in the works. Beyond academics, students can join 12 clubs, annual cultural and sports festivals, NCC, NSS, and regular industrial visits.
Here in Amity, you also get to find your passion and also continue your hobbies, and there's multiple clubs. We have a total of 12 clubs, and each student gets a chance to continue their hobbies at the same time prioritize their academics.
We have a lot of cultures, interacting with each other and learning something new every day. We have a lot of leagues that happen here, including basketball leagues, cricket leagues, Kho-Kho leagues, and so on. We also have literature fests, gaming studios, and a lot of other extracurricular activities for students to indulge every day.
Students often say one of the biggest takeaways isn't just the degree. It's the people they meet, the opportunities they explore, and the confidence they build while studying in one of India's busiest professional ecosystems.
It has to be the diversity. You meet so many people here from north, from south, not only from India, even abroad. And when you meet such people who are so well driven and ambitious, you have to learn a thing or two from them. It has made me more confident as a person, and it has just well-rounded me overall.
Mumbai has always been a city where people come to learn on the job. At Amity Mumbai, students say that's exactly what their degree feels like. For more, comment Amity Mumbai.